How do we solve these quadratic equations? There are different methods. There are different methods that we can use to solve these quadratic equations. First, we can use a substitutions method. Then we think of, or a factors method. We think of two factors that we can multiply to give us 5. When we add or we subtract to give us minus 6. Then secondly, we can use a completing the square method. Completing the square method. So we take the constant to cross the equal sign. Then we take the half of this. From there we take the square. Then we add it to both sides. So that is completing the square. Then we can also use a formula method, which we known as almighty formula. So for the sake of this tutorial today, we are going to use almighty formula to solve this quadratic equations. So what is that almighty formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So here is the formula of almighty. So from here now, what is our a? Is the coefficient of x squared, what is standing beside x squared, which is what? 1. Therefore, our a is equal to 1. So what is our b? Our b is the coefficient of this x. And what is the coefficient is what? Negative 6. That is minus 6. So then our c is our constant, which is what? A positive what? 5. Now we are going to all these factors. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to 5. We are going to substitute it into this almighty formula. So we have x equal to minus b, then we have minus, and the values of b is minus 6, then bracket minus 6. So we separate them by the brackets. Then plus or minus the square root of the b square is what? Minus 6, everything square, and minus 4 times a. Our a is 1, then multiplied by 5, which is our c, everything divided by 2a, which is 2 multiplied by 1. So x will give us minus times minus 6 is what? 6, which is plus. And plus or minus the square root of minus 6 square means minus 6 multiplied by minus 6, and that is 36. So minus 4 times 1, minus 4 times 5, we have minus 20. Minus 20, everything divided by 2, because 2 multiplied by 1 will give us 2. So our x is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 20. So it's 16 all over 2. So our x is equal to 6 plus or minus the square root of 16 is 4 then over 2. So that means our x is equal to 6 plus 4 over 2 or 6 minus 4 over 2. Yes, because we have plus or minus, the plus or minus. So the positive one, which is what? The plus 6 plus 4, and the negative one is what? 6 minus 4, everything over 2. So here x is equal to 6 plus 4 is what? 10 over 2, or 6 minus 4 is 2 over 2. So x is equal to 10 divided by 2 will give us 5, or 2 divided by 2 is what? Is 1. So that means the values of x here is 5 or 1. This is what we call the quadratic, because the degree is what? Is 2. So since the degree is 2, that means we are going to have two values for it. So bye bye.